How to change username on Spotify. If any day any of you are a Spotify user and you would like to change the username on Spotify but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Spotify application on your mobile device. That can be done by searching the Spotify application on your mobile device or manually finding the Spotify application on your mobile device. After you find the very Spotify application on your mobile device, you have to tap on Spotify. After you tap on Spotify, you can see that Spotify will be launched on your very mobile device. After Spotify is launched on your very mobile device, now what you have to do is you have to go to your profile like icon and then tap on your profile like icon and then go to the option of edit. And after that, you can see the option of a name here. And from here, you can just change your name on Spotify like this and then go to the option of save. And this way, you can change your very name on Spotify very nicely. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.